If you're running a Hytale server, setting up permissions manually can quickly get complicated. Today we're walking through LuckPerms, a powerful permissions mod for Hytale that lets you create ranks, assign permissions, and even customize chat formatting. Before we begin, keep in mind that LuckPerms for Hytale is still in early development, and Hytale itself is in early access. Some features may change, and you may run into minor issues. Always check with the official LuckPerms Wiki for the latest updates. By the end of this video, you'll have a working permission system with ranks, prefixes, and all the basics covered. To start, make sure your server version is compatible with the version of LuckPerms you're downloading, along with any required dependency mods. You'll need two things: the LuckPerms mod and the mini chat formatter mod if you want colored ranks or chat tags. Download both from their official sources. We recommend going directly to LuckPerms website to get the latest version. Mini chat formatter can be downloaded from CurseForge, and LuckPerms is available there as well if you prefer using it. Once downloaded, add both mods to your server's mods folder, and then restart the server to install them fully. After that, open your file manager and navigate back to the mods folder. Find the folder called LuckO Mini Chat Formatter, and open the config.json file. Look for the line that starts with format and replace it with the configuration shown on your screen. Save the file, then use the command shown on your screen in the console or in-game to apply the changes. This can be done without needing to restart the server. This ensures your chat formatting works correctly in-game. Now it's time to configure LuckPerms. Log into your server. Even if you're already an operator in Hytale, you still need to give yourself full LuckPerms permissions because LuckPerms overrides default operator access. In the server console, type /lp user, followed by your username, permissions set asterisk. This grants your account full permissions so you can configure everything properly. One of the best parts of LuckPerms is its web editor, which makes managing permissions much easier. In-game, type /lp space editor, and you will see a message that a link is being generated. Click that link and open it in your browser. You'll be given the full command to paste back into the game to confirm the connection to your server. Go ahead and run that command. Once inside the web editor, you'll see three main options. On the left tracks groups and users. For this tutorial, we're focusing on that section. Groups allow you to create ranks with specific permissions, and users lets you assign those ranks and manage individual players. So let's create our first group. Click the plus icon next to the Groups tab. A menu will appear showing the configurable options for your group. Start with the group name. This is the internal name, and for this example, we'll use admin. Next is the display name, which is what appears in the web editor. We'll also set this to admin, though you can capitalize it if you prefer. Now set the weight. Weight determines the group priority, meaning higher numbers override lower ones. In this example, we'll set it to 100. Move to the parent group option. This allows the group to inherit permissions from another group. We'll set it to the default LuckPerms group. Next is the prefix. This is the text that appears before a player's name in chat. When people talk about ranks or colored tags in game, this is what they're referring to. For this example, we're creating a bold colored admin rank. Make sure to leave a space at the end so the formatting displays correctly in the chat. Simply type in what you see on your screen right now. There are many additional formatting options available, and we'll link the resources in the description if you want to explore them further. For now, we're keeping things simple to demonstrate the setup process. You can also use brackets like this if you want a different style. There's also a suffix option which adds text after the player's name, but we're not setting one up for this example. Once everything is filled out, click Create Group. The group page will open in the web editor. Click Apply in the top right corner to save your changes, and you should see a confirmation in the server console or in the game chat. Now that the group exists, it's time to add permissions. Scroll to the bottom of the group page where it says enter permission or paste many. For our admin group, we'll grant access to the main server commands: ban, unban, kick, and whitelist. Type each permission, click add to the right, and then click apply again to save. If you want the group to have full access without manually adding each permission, type the following in the console or in the game: /lp group admin permission set asterisk. Next, let's assign a player to the group. Switch to the Users tab in the web editor and find the player you want to assign. Scroll down to the Add Node section, select Inheritance, and choose your admin group from the drop-down on the right. Click Add, then click Apply in the top right corner. The player now has the permissions assigned to the group. To test everything, open a chat in game and type a message. You should see a gold bold admin prefix appear correctly before your name. If it does not appear correctly, return to the web editor and adjust your prefix or permissions and click apply again. LuckPerms is not limited to the mini chat formatter. You can explore other chatting formatting mods and advanced options to further customize your server, such as HeroChat, EliteEssentials, or EssentialsPlus. You can also add Placeholder API, which is a flexible and powerful placeholder system. All these mods are linked in the description and are compatible with each other, helping you create a server that looks clean, polished, and professional. And that's it. Now you know how to download, install, and set up ranks and permissions using LuckPerms on your Hytale server. If you want a follow-up video going deeper into advanced features, let us know in the comments. If this video helped you get your server organized, make sure you like and subscribe for more Hytale tutorials, server guides, and tips to make your server and world run smoothly.